Learn how to freeze your cake batter so you can have fresh batter cake every day. For this recipe, we'll need 1 cup of sugar, 4 eggs, and beat everything very well until it turns to this cream as you can see. After that, add 4 tablespoons of melted butter, half a tablespoon of vanilla essence, a cup of milk, and let's beat it again. And if you prefer the written recipe, just comment down here I want so I can send you the complete one. I'm also gonna add 3 cups of flour, but let's add it little by little. And look how beautiful this batter gets. Finally, let's add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and mix it very gently. To give a special touch to our cake, I'm going to add a cup of chocolate chips. If you prefer, you can cut some pieces of chocolate bar and put into it too, okay guys? And now folks, our batter is already done. If you want, you can double the recipe to make a bigger batter, okay? And now I'm gonna teach you guys how to freeze this batter. We're going to put the batter into those plastic bags that we put in the freezer, you know? And then we are going to tie it and take out all of the air from the bag. Here I made this amount of batter just to show you guys, but of course you can make a bigger batter because you're going to freeze it, so it's better to make more of this. Here my batter has already frozen and you just have to take it out of the plastic bag and then put it in the same form we put to freeze. And then here guys, you just have to take it to the preheated oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit to 30 and 35 minutes. My cake is done and look how the batter looks very fresh. It's the same thing that you make the batter on the same day. I gave a special touch to it, so I melted some chocolate and put on the cake. I waited for it to be hard and look at this wonder. A cake made in just a few minutes, very simple, practical and very fast. This technique of freezing the batter is unbelievable. It's so nice that I always have cake in my house. Imagine you having cake at your house every day without any effort. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Your opinion is very important for us. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Bye!